Okay, guys, we're going to do some more word work. And I want you to look at my first word. Say the letters with me. C, U, T, E. Now, the C makes the K sound. Good. U and E are going to work together. This is our magic E or silent E. Magic E. Doesn't say anything, but it makes the U say its own name. So let's put these two sounds together. Cute, cute. Very good. Now we're going to do the same with this word. Let's say the letters. T, U, N, E. There's that magic silent E. It's going to make the U say its own name. So let's say these first two sounds together. Tune, tune, tune. Good job. All right, now we're going to look at a couple other words. And the first one is a name, actually. So let's say the letters. L, U, K, E. Now remember, these two are going to work together. Magic E is silent. U says its own name. Luke. Luke. Good. Now, we love doing this at school. I want you to change the L. Whoops. Mrs. Walter didn't do that one very well. Yep, to a D. So let's blend these first two sounds together. Duke, Duke. Good job. Now, we're going to change one more of these letters. See if I can trick ya. Let's blend together. Dude. Dude. Very good. Now, let's try this word. Say the letters. C, U, B, E. Magic E is silent. You're right. U's going to say its own name, so let's blend these together. Cube. Cube. Very good. And we're going to change the C to a T. Now what's my word? Good job. Tube. Tube. Excellent. Now these next words, the next part, I'm going to say some sounds and I want you to tell me what word I'm saying. So let's start with, and these are going to be blends. So do you remember what a blend is? A blend is two letters that make two sounds. A digraph is two letters that make one sound. Good job. But these are all blends. So we have to be sure to say both sounds. Okay, I'm going to start. I'm going to say sounds. You blend them together and tell me the word. Pull-ain. 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 Plane, right. Okay. Next one. G-er-ain. G-er-ain. Ger-ain. Grain. Very good. Okay, this next one's trickier. T-er-ain. T-er-ain. Ter-ain. Train. Excellent. Now, the rest I'm going to do, but I'm not going to tell you what the word is, so I want you to try to figure it out, okay? S-l-ip. Good. D Ip. Good. Ip. Very good. This is a tricky one. Ip. Yeah, quip. That's the QU together, okay? All right. Let's try just a few more. Slug. 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 Good. N. Good. All right. Now, we're going to flip it. I'm going to say the word. I want you to tell me the sounds. So I'm going to give you time to answer, and then I'll give you the correct sounds, okay? All right. The first one is plot. 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 Good. Okay. How about trip? This is the tricky one. Trip. Ip. Trip. Okay. Let's try flap. The word is flap. Good work. Flap. Okay. Just a couple more. Queen. Queen. Bright. Bright. Good work. Okay, keep practicing, kids. Have moms and dads ask you words with more than 3 sounds. Let's try to do words with 4 and 5 sounds in them, okay? Good job.